Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Cash App for side hustle payments step by step clearly. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Log in using your phone number or email address. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. To receive payments, tap on the receive icon, usually represented by a $sign. You will see your unique Cash App $cash tag displayed at the top. This $cash tag is your identifier for receiving payments. Share your $cash tag with clients or people who owe you money. For additional payment methods, you can also share your linked phone number or email. To request a payment, tap on the request button, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount you wish to request. In the For field, you can add a description of the service provided. Tap the request button to send the payment request. Once the payment is sent to you, you will receive a notification. To check your incoming payments, go to the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can view all transactions and confirm payments received. For transferring your Cash App balance to your bank account, tap on the banking icon. Choose Cash Out to move funds to your linked bank account. Decide how much money you want to withdraw. You can choose between an instant transfer for a small fee or a standard transfer that typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Confirm your choice and wait for the transfer to process. If you're using Cash App for your side hustle, remember to track your transactions for better financial management. Be mindful of any fees associated with instant transfers or business transactions. Make sure your Cash App is updated regularly for optimal performance. That's it. You're now ready to use Cash App for your side hustle payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.